A recent study, the lifetimes of cell phones found the average is 28.1 months. The standard deviation is 4.2 months. If a company provides us 37 employees with a cell phone, find the probability that the mean lifetime of these phones will be less than 27.5 months. Assume cell phone life is normally distributed. Okay. Notice we're not talking about one employee. We're talking about 37 employees. So, question, are we dealing with one whatever, one employee? Or are we dealing with many whatevers, many employees? We're dealing with many employees, specifically 37. So we'll be using these formulas here. Okay, so let's write down everything we've got. Mean is 28.1. Standard deviation is 4.2. N is 37. And we want probability that x is less than 27.5. That's his first form here. So whatever number follows your less than is your A. So A is equal to 27.5. And we'll be using this right here. So we got equals norm dist A, which is 27.5, comma mean 28.1, comma standard deviation, which is 4.2, divided by a square root of n, which is 37, comma true. Then you move your decimal point 2 places right, and then round, and we have 19.24% as our answer.